Welcome, my dear friends. I am Ayush and I am here to share my comic story How to Break Bad Habits. In this story, there is a boy who had bad habits and he wants just leave the habit as fast as he can. So, now let's start. Priya Didi. Hey Gulu, what's wrong? You look sad. Gulu. I'm having a terrible day, Priya Didi. This afternoon. Almost there. Gulu, leave that phone. You will be late for your football practice. Gulu, yes, ma, going in a minute. Yes, high score, mom. Still using the phone. Do you want to miss again? I'm almost done, ma. I'm almost done. That's enough, Gulu. Get going for the practice now. Gulu reach the ground. The coach is going to be really mad. Sir, can I join the practice? Coach, time to come for practice, Gulu. The practice is almost over. And where were you yesterday? Gulu, sorry, sir. I don't want to hear any excuse. The tournament is just next month. If you miss practice one more time, you will be out of this team, okay? This is my warning, Gulu. I think all this happening I play on the phone. Gulu said to Didi. Whenever I get bored, I think of playing the game for 5 minutes, but then I lose the track of time. Yeah, so you have developed a habit of playing this game. I really like the game, but I never thought I will create such problems for me. Gulu, how do I break this habit, Didi? I don't want to get kicked out from the team. Priya Didi, don't worry, Gulu. It's easy to break a bad habit once you understand how habits work. So, my dear friends, habits are actions we repeat because they are rewarding in some way. Actions, you can see the cues, action, and rewards for your wasting of time. So, I had a cycle of cue and action and reward. Gulu, cue, seeing a television, action, watching cartoons, rewards, feeling it. Gulu. That's interesting. So, in my case, the cue is the phone on my table. Action is playing the game on the phone, and the reward is feeling of achievement when I earn points. Gulu have still a problem to resolve a bad habit, but how do I break this habit? Yeah, Didi. Gulu, to break a bad habit, we must break its cycle. To do that, we must first use and make the action difficult to perform. Let me explain how I went about it when I am a child. As a student, while preparing for my final, I will keep some chocolates handy on my desk when I don't have a phone. When we don't have a phone, so that I will get exhausted from studying for hours, I will eat a chocolate and feel happy. So it turned into a habit. Chocolates on table, eating, feeling happy. I created a cues like chocolate. It was not long before I started having cavities in my teeth. That is when I decided to break this habit. First, to remove the cue, which were the chocolates kept on the table. Then, to make the action difficult to perform, I chocolates from my home and I shared them with my friends. Now that the chocolates were not easily available, I was not eating them that often, said by Priya Didi to Gulu. Okay, now it's clear. I follow the rules. The same strategy of removing the cues and making the action difficult to perform. Really, that's great, Gulu. You can do at home. Gulu says. There it is, the phone on my table. That's the cue. If I keep it out on my eyesight, then I won't get the urge to play games on it. But how do I make the action of playing game difficult for me? There is a point how to remove the cue without having any excuse. Maybe, Gulu, I can ask Ma for help. Ma, keep this phone with you and not give it to me if I ask for it to play games. Ma, sure Gulu, I am happy to hear this from you. I have removed the cue and I have made it difficult for me to play the game. I think this should be enough. Gulu was happy. Now I won't get late for my football practice. Thank you, Ma. Next afternoon, I'm bored. I feel like playing this game on the phone, but I can't ask for my phone. I will just have to wait for the practice. Yes, I am on the time today. Avoiding the phone worked. I will do the same tomorrow as well.